Guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are dropping by for the very first time, welcome and thank you so much for being here. You guys, today we're cooking enchiladas, and not only regular enchiladas, we're cooking keto and non-keto version enchiladas. And you guys, to be very honest with you, the only ingredient that is different in the keto non-keto is the tortillas. I'm using regular flour tortillas for the boys, and for me, I'm using this carb balance tortillas, which are only 2 gram net carbs. Other than that, everything is the same for both keto and non-keto version. Everything in there is keto. The chicken, the cheese, we have a little bit of red sauce, a little bit of green chili sauce. Everything is keto, basically. With that said, let's go ahead and let's cook some enchiladas. Okay guys, for this recipe, we're gonna need about 2 pounds of chicken. I have a little over 2 pounds. And then we're gonna need some chicken stock or chicken broth, whatever you have handy. We're gonna need some green chili enchilada sauce, red enchilada sauce, olive oil, chili powder, ground cumin, we need an onion, and then we need tortillas. I have Carb Balance and I have the regular flour tortillas here. These are for me keto version, and these are for the boys non-keto version. I almost forgot to mention that we need some cheese, you guys. Yes, we need 2 cups of cheese, maybe 2.5, because I'm using a little bit more chicken. So for 2 pounds, it asks for 2 cups of cheese, you guys. Colby Jack is the best. That's what the recipe calls for. But if you don't have Colby Jack, I'm sure that any cheese will do the trick. And we're gonna need some cilantro, you guys, to garnish. Listen, I love cilantro, so obviously I'm gonna use it. I'm actually gonna use more than just to garnish. But if you don't have cilantro, or if you don't like cilantro, don't use cilantro. Use parsley to garnish, or don't use anything. And then also sour cream. I like sour cream. It's good for keto. The boys do, so I'm using sour cream to, put on my enchiladas. I'm gonna take care of this chicken first, you guys. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm cutting all the fat out. Although if it's just a little bit, yeah, it's okay. See, these were prepared by me, and I took this out of the freezer. I bought them and then I froze them. So before I did, I actually took care of the fat. See, it's pretty clean, but I cleaned them now again. And here's just a little bit. I'm gonna take that out too. And the reason I'm taking them out, although keto requires fat, I'm having a child that if he does come across any fatty tissues like this, he then stops eating, so I have to be very careful. But this is what we're gonna do, guys, now. I have this little guy in here. Oh my God, this is my favorite thing in the house, probably. This is my Instapot. If you don't have an Instapot, chop your onion, cut this in small cubes, and fry them on in a pan. I'm going to put this beautiful chicken right there. Then, you guys, we are going to take care of this onion right here. We're gonna chop it nicely. You need about a cup of chopped onion. I think I'm gonna use just a little more, only because I have just a little more chicken. And not only that, I absolutely love onion in all my foods. I also love garlic, but this recipe doesn't call for one, so it's okay. But you can, if you want, you can add garlic too. Perfect. And we're gonna throw that in there. It's asking for 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. I'm actually going to use 2/2, so 1 teaspoon, because I like chili powder. We all like a little bit of spice. A teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin right here. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. I'm always using pink Himalayan salt. And you guys, some black pepper. Also, I'm adding a generous amount just because we like black pepper, you guys. Now we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of chicken stock, you guys. I say about 1/4 cup. It'll be more juicy, if you know what I mean. I'm going to go ahead and mix that beautifully in there. Oh, look at this, you guys. It looks amazing. We're going to close it up. We're going to seal tight it. We're gonna pressure cook it on about 20 minutes. Here's on 30. Let's do 25 minutes. There you go. Anywhere from 20 to 25, it should be perfect for this chicken breast to be cooked. In the meantime, you guys, let's preheat our oven at 350 degrees. All right, happy people, it's been about 25 minutes. I gave it a few more minutes so the pressure, air pressure, you know, will release and all the good stuff. And now it's open. Let's go check it. Oh my goodness. This is what we have, you guys. So a little bit of chicken broth, as you can see, went a long way because the chicken releases its own juices. So what we're going to do now, we're gonna put in this Eastery color bowl. Look, I'm having the pink too. See that, like a little Easter situation here. Oh, look at those juices though. Oh my goodness. This chicken falls apart. That's how done and amazing this is. Very tender. I see a lot of people doing this, so I guess we're gonna do this. I prefer to do it with my hands. This is hot. I'm not gonna handle it with my hands, so let's go ahead and you can also put it in the blender, or how you call it, in a food processor. I'm sorry. Don't forget your onions. Remember, we're gonna put the enchilada sauce and the chili sauce, but don't forget your onions. Put your onions in here. It gives this little sweetness and all that. Look at this. Oh my God. No onions should go to waste. Oh, yes. I'm gonna go ahead and open my cans, you guys. Here I'm having the green chili, and then I'm gonna open this right here, and I'm gonna show you what to do next. I'm going to add this beauty right here. And we're gonna go ahead and mix all that together. Looks amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little taste to see if we need any more salt and pepper. Hi, baby. Come say hello to everyone. A little more salt. Ha. Hi. Let's say hello to everyone, sweetie. For those of you that are new, guys, this is my older one, Mr. James. My younger one is actually taking a nap. So, but I'm sure you'll meet him by the way we finish this meal, because this is a vlogging channel, not just cooking.
What is mine?
Okay, you're about to, for those of you that are just stopping by, about to meet my husband, Justin Bogart. What do you want?
Enchiladas.
They're cooking.
I heard there were going to be enchiladas.
Yes.
On enchilada night, I'm Senor Bogart.
You're Senor Bogart on taco night.
Taco night.
Or this is
And nacho night.
a nacho. So you're a lot of Senor Bogart. Nacho night, taco night.
In Italian food, Signore Bogart.
On Italian. How about when I cook my Romanian food?
On Moldovan night.
Watch this. Go ahead, make fun of me. He makes fun of my accent.
I would never do that. Not really my style.
Smart man. Lying to YouTube, huh? All right, everyone, let's keep it moving. Go! Oh my God, you guys, almost forgot. 2 cups of cheese go in here. But you know I'm gonna use 2.5 because I put a little bit more chicken. You guys, so we're gonna use, let's say, well, we need some to top. So don't put all 2 cups in here. Let's just put about 1.5 cups in here. There you go, should look like that. And now mixing all the cheese in here. Ooh, yes. There you go, you guys. I knew I almost forgot something. This is a very important step, by the way. We need that cheese in there. Oh, yes. Perfect. Okay, guys, we need our 9x13 in here. We're going to put a little bit of this enchilada sauce. Oh my goodness. This one looks a little too watery for me. Okay, guys, I opened the brand that I always use. Oh, see, this is a little thicker. Anyways, you know what? We're gonna use a little bit of both. We're gonna go just like this. I'm gonna use a little bit more of this right here. Perfection. We're gonna put this on the side. Okay, we're gonna put about a tablespoon or more. Wow, I don't know. So I never used it and I never will. It's Las Palmas, but it's so watery, you guys. Wow. I mean, it doesn't mean it's not good. It's just not the consistency I'm used to. But it's okay. So we're going to do this. Then we're going to do this. Add about, I say, a quarter cup for each. I'm adding always a little more because I'm telling you, everybody in this family is a carnivore. Hi, look at this. Yes, we're gonna put this opening down so it will stay. Look at this, see? Yes. So I'm gonna do about 8 for the boys and maybe 2 or 3 for me. Okay guys, I can only fit 7 in here. And I'm only gonna do their non-keto in this. I'm gonna put my keto. You guys, my keto is the same as this one. I'm only using low carb tortilla, that's it. Nothing different. The whole recipe is keto. So you guys, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the rest of the sauce. First, I'm gonna put the one that I actually like. The red one right here. Okay guys, I really don't like that red sauce. I just don't. It's my first time buying it. I'm not liking it. It's not the consistency. I'm just gonna use the rest of the green right here. It's gonna be a little different, y'all, than, you know, but it's okay. It's gonna be delicious. Then I'm gonna add a bunch of cheese right here. Okay guys, it's a situation because that red sauce, like I said, I do not like how it tastes. I do not like the consistency. I added the green. I found another one in red and I added a little more on top. Let me show you how it looks. So it looks like this. We're gonna put it in the oven for about anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes. But wait, let me quickly show you also how my keto one looks. There is my 2 net carb tortillas. You guys, they are smaller, but they taste amazing and I don't need them bigger. Okay guys, we're gonna take this to the oven. And done. Oh my God, you guys, looky here. This is done. It was about 20-25 minutes. Look at my keto one. They look amazing. Oh my God, let's garnish them. Okay guys, so I'm doing here, I'm chopping a little bit of cilantro. We're gonna do this situation here. Oh yes, baby. But you guys, I'm not stopping there. I do want to add a little bit of green onion. Here's the thing, scallions will be the best. I don't have scallions, and I'm gonna tell you something. I like to, what do you call it, improvise. So I will use whatever I have on hand. And if I don't have scallions, you better believe that I'm gonna use my green onions because they are delicious. Yes, honey, yes. We're gonna use the remaining green onion and some cilantro. Ha! Doesn't this look amazing? This is cheesy. Okay, guys, look at this beauty. Hold on, I gotta show you this. So this is the keto one. I'm showing you guys the keto one. This is so exciting for me. I love this diet, or it's not a diet, it's a lifestyle. Okay guys, look at this. Do you see this chicken inside? Everything is keto. Wow. Wow, this is so good. Justin, come here. I need somebody to try the enchiladas for the camera. Come here. I
can be that somebody.
Okay, listen, this is the keto one. I didn't even put as much cheese or anything.
Ketos.
Try this.
I'm gonna get
and it has, I know that you like cilantro.
I'm gonna get so skinny when I eat this.
He said, I'm gonna get so skinny when I eat this. Kiss the cook.
That's a badass enchilada, baby.
So guys, these are the non-keto. Come on, quickly. Okay guys, so listen, these are the non-keto version. I added a little more cheese in the meat.
It's fatter immediately. Pretty amazing. I'm pretty happy with that.
You like some?
Very satisfied with that. It's not too spicy, it's very good.
So you know what guys, it's this red sauce that I initially I added, And then I was like, why it's so watery and what's going on with it? So I tasted a little bit. It's so spicy. So I was worried it's gonna be too spicy, but he likes it.
2 thumbs up.
Okay, guys, so this is it for today. I really hope you like this recipe. If you do, and if you make it, comment below. Comment below anyways. I would always like to hear from you guys. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing for more recipes. I will try to do in every video a keto and non-keto version. This way everybody can watch it. People that are on keto and people that are not on keto. So you guys, with that said, I love you all and I am gone. Gone.